We are working so hard to get what we actually want because from our childhood we have learned this, that our parents are struggling to get you bare minimum things in your daily routine, your school phases, your education phases, your business startup, everything. Your parents are struggling. From your childhood, you have learned that अगर आप मेहनत नहीं करोगे तो आप अपनी ड्रीम लाइफ को अचीव नहीं कर पाओगे. That's not true. What you actually want, that thing, that person, that opportunity wants you to. You have to unlearn, you have to struggle to get what you actually want. Opportunity, nature are here to serve humans, us. We only have to attract these things. ये इतना मुश्किल नहीं है. Hey, I'm Labisa Sundas here to help you. So let's start the video. It's so cold and so sunny at the same time. So let's start the video. Point 2. Recently, me and my brother were sitting in downtown Dubai and we were just eating our fruits and we were discussing about Naseeb, our destiny, and these things. And suddenly, we saw the orange we were eating, it came from Morocco. And we were so shocked that the moment this orange was planted, it was meant for us. वो ऑरेंज हमारे लिए पैदा किया गया and we were eating that orange in downtown Dubai. Like really that orange was meant for us. It's the same thing like what is meant for you will find you. But the only thing you have to do is to be present, to be available, to manifest, to attract these things. Like हर चीज़ अगर हमारे लिए बनी है, हर चीज़ ऑलरेडी वहाँ है जो हमें चाहिए. Opportunity, people, person, the love of your life, your dream job, your business. If everything is there for you, then why you have to work for it? बिकॉज देखो, मुझे और मेरे भाई को वो ऑरेंज खाने के लिए भी ऑर्डर प्लेस करना पड़ा, डाउनटाउन दुबई जाना पड़ा. You have to put into work, but not the hard work, not the pressure you put on yourself. You have to manifest the things. You have to manifest the opportunities. You have to manifest the business you want. For the right person, you only have to exist. No more struggles. No more chasing. No more pleasing to that person. आपका जो love of your life है, he is there, she is there. बस आपको उसको manifest करना है. You have to be patient enough. You have to be patient enough और आपका hope, आपका belief should be skyrocketing. What is meant for you will find its way to you. For the right person, you have to be seen, you have to be present, maybe on social media, maybe on public gatherings. For the right opportunities, you have to sharpen your skills. आप लाइफ में क्या करना चाहते हो? You have to work on that skill. आपको बस बैठे नहीं रहना, आपको उस स्किल पे काम करना है. No pressure, no tension. Just believe, just hope that that thing is available and will reach you at the perfect time. Universe timing is the perfect timing. You and I cannot deny it. Universe ने जो कुछ हमारे लिए लिखा है, at the right time, at the perfect time, वो चीज़ हमें मिल के रहेगी, वो person हमें मिल के रहेगा, वो business, we will rock it. We will rock that business, but at the right time. Third and most important point. Prayers are important. We cannot deny the power prayers hold. What are prayers? Prayers are basically manifesting. manifesting and talking to the universe that what you are asking, what you want, and then you believe it. Believe that it's coming. Believe that somewhere in universe it is there. Believe that it is meant for you and will come to you. That is prayer. That is manifesting. That's all. क्या आपको सच में ऐसा लगता है कि इतनी बड़ी यूनिवर्स में जो फील्ड, जो कैरियर आप चूज करना चाहते हो उसकी जगह नहीं है? क्या आपको सच में लगता है कि इतनी बड़ी यूनिवर्स में लव ऑफ योर लाइफ, ही इज नॉट देयर, शी इज नॉट देयर? आपके कैरियर की जगह है, आपकी जॉब की जगह है, द अपॉर्चुनिटीज आर देयर, बट ये आपका लैक ऑफ माइंडसेट है कि आपको लगता है वो चीज़ मुझे नहीं मिलेगी बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोगों को वो चीज़ चाहिए. What if they pretend they need that job? What if they pretend that they need that opportunity? What if you actually want it? What if your manifestation is more powerful than theirs? वो चीज़ आपके लिए बनी है. You have to believe it. Pray like you believe it is already coming to you. अगर आपको अपनी प्रेयर पे यकीन ही नहीं होगा, it's never coming. It's never coming. If you believe in your prayers, if you believe in your manifestation, and you believe that you deserve it, no one can take that thing from you. No one. यूनिवर्स आपके रास्ते और आसान करती जाएगी. यूनिवर्स will provide it. The thing you want, वो पहले से आपके पास आना चाहती है. Your dream car, that is waiting for you to work, to manifest, to attract. You just have to be positive, patient, and you have believe that it's coming. That's all. What you actually want will come to you. हर किसी को फेमस होना है, हर किसी को यूट्यूबर बनना है, मुझे इसीलिए यूट्यूबर बनना है. That's not what you want. लड़कियों को वो लड़के पसंद आते हैं जो कुकिंग करते हैं, इसलिए मुझे कुकिंग करनी है. नो, दैट्स नॉट व्हाट यू वांट. मुझे फैशन डिजाइनिंग करनी है बिकॉज इट्स ट्रेंडिंग. नो, इट्स नॉट व्हाट यू वांट. यू वांट समथिंग एल्स, व्हाट यू आर पैशनेट अबाउट. बिकॉज जब आप में वो अट्रैक्शन होगी, वो पॉजिटिविटी होगी, वो बिलीफ होगा कि आप वो चीज़ डिजर्व करते हो, दैट थिंग विल ऑलरेडी कम टू यू and will meet you at perfect time. Get clear what you want. Get clear. Get clear है. आपको क्या चाहिए? आपको क्या बिजनेस करना है? आपको बिजनेस करना है because business owners are wealthy? That's not what you want. You will not manifest it. It's hard. जो चीज़ आपको नहीं चाहिए आप वो pretend करो कि वो आपको चाहिए. It's hard. It's never coming. Okay, summary of today's topic. What is meant for you will find its way to you. Even if that thing is in America, it will find its way to you. अगर वो दुबई में चीज़ रखी है वो फिर भी आपके पास आएगी. वो जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी मोरक्को में है वो तब भी आपके पास आएगी. लुक, मेरे भाई और मैं कभी मोरक्को नहीं गए, बट वी वर ईटिंग दैट ऑरेंज जो कि मोरक्को में प्लांट हुआ था. The audacity we have that things are meant for us will never reach us. Oh God, come on, everything is written, but the thing, आप lack mindset में हो. जब आप abundance mindset में आओगे, जब आपको लगेगा आप actual में deserve करते हो, आप actual में इतना wealth deserve करते हो, आप actual में अपना crush deserve करते हो, वो आपके पास आ जाएगा. बट अभी आपको लगता है नो, आई डोंट डिजर्व दैट मनी बिकॉज मेरी फैमिली ने कभी इतना पैसे नहीं कमाए, मैं कैसे कमा सकता हूँ? यू आर इन लैक माइंडसेट. इतने पैसे आपके पास कभी नहीं आएंगे. पैसे उन लोगों के पास जाएंगे जिनको ऑलरेडी लगता है डिजर्व इट. खुशी उन लोगों के पास जाएगी जिनको लगता है कि they deserve happiness. Come on, everything that is meant for you will come to you. Okay, bye. I really hope that helps change your mindset, shift your mindset, and everything will easily, quickly get to you. Bye.